The 2025 KTM 300 EXC Hard Enduro is ready to roll out of the racing van and onto the Prologue starting line. Based on the already legendary KTM 300 EXC, the Hard Enduro sets itself apart with an exclusive Hard Enduro parts package. Hardcore protection parts, pull straps, CNC-machined components, not to mention full adjustable closed cartridge forks, and a totally unique graphics kit, makes this the ultimate Hard Enduro package for tackling the world's toughest off-road championship.
Graphics: the 2025 KTM 300 EXC Hard Enduro is hard to miss, with striking white on black graphics, and a ribbed black seat cover all overlaid onto black and orange fenders. It makes a statement. This is one graphics package you won't want to swap out. Top shelf componentry: the KTM 300 EXC Hard Enduro models receive the full Hard Enduro treatment. From the standard fitted radiator fan to machined anodized triple clam, right down to a solid rear brake disc, with safety wire. Each and every element on a Hard Enduro model is specifically chosen for the job at hand. The 2025 KTM 2-stroke Enduro models feature electronically controlled throttle body injection or TBI. The EXC, together with a KN 39mm throttle body, calculates the ideal air-fuel mixture by constantly analyzing water temperature, air temperature, ambient pressure, and pressure within the crankcase, the RPM, and the throttle position to ensure the smoothest and most consistent power delivery in the most gnarly of enduro conditions.
Stability: the 2025 KTM EXC range remains rock solid at any speed thanks to a repositioned and forged steering head connection and CNC milled triple clamps. Made from high-grade aluminum, these feature optimally tuned steering stem stiffness, perfect alignment of the fork tubes, and precise geometry of the fork clamps to ensure highly responsive and smooth fork action, not to mention unwavering stability for those ultra-fast flat-out special stages. 2025 KTM 300 EXC Hard Enduro highlights are: orange glossy frame, KTM HARDENDURO bar pad factory racing frame protection set factory racing seat map select switch factory wheel set wraparound handguard kit radiator fan black anodized CNC machined triple clamps skid plate semi-floating front brake disc guard solid rear brake disc rear brake safety wire orange rear brake disc guard orange SUPERSPROX stealth rear sprocket clutch slave cylinder protection supporting straps black anodized engine brace set Metzeler 6 days extreme tires.